Right, we got this one. We gotta pull it real hard. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Keep going. Keep going. Yeah, we got it. All right. Good job. Thank you. Hold on, we got more to do. Don't lose those nuts.
What?
Those lugs.
What lugs?
What time is it, babe?
8:42.
All right.
We still have time, Mom.
Yeah.
Buddy, don't sit next to it just in case the car falls down. Always, yeah, like that. Be careful. Just in case it falls. Hold that lug. I need 2 boys to do this. Get on the same side. Yep. Go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go. Keep going. Keep going. Strong. Strong. Oh. Oh. I got you. It didn't go. It didn't open yet. Let's put it back in. Come on. Like tug of war. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ah, we got it.
That was easy.
That was easy.
Yeah. 2 down.
Now it's the last one. So now we're gonna take this tire off.
We're gonna put the new tire.
Huh?
We're gonna put the new
Yeah,
tire.
we're gonna put this one on.
I'm gonna tell the teacher.
Okay. That's the old tire.
Let's put the new.
Now let's get the new one on.
Oh, that is pointy. This one is not a pointy one, but that one is pointy.
Straighten it out a little. That's straight. Do it straight. Yep, like that. Hold it straight and then twist. Yeah, you got it. You got it. It's on. All right, we'll go get another one.
Look, if I just put the whole one, then I don't have to move it back and forth.
You know what we gotta do is let me tighten one up so it doesn't go. Yeah, there you go. All right, let's get these on.
Do I have still more time for school?
No, we're leaving after this.
We leaving to school? Yes. What is it?
I don't know.
I don't know. Okay.